Nanpi Jiantong Hardware Manufacturing Company Limited was founded in 2008 with a construction area of 8,000 square meters. We specialize in metal stamping parts, metal hardware, deep drawn parts, and sheet metal fabrication parts manufacturing. Products range from small electronic components such as battery contacts, spring clips, to bigger ones such as cabinet and metal enclosures. They are widely used in medical devices, automotive, home appliance, and other machinery parts. One-stop service includes in-house tooling, laser cutting, CNC machining, metal stamping, and fabrications are our advantages to